You know, everyone is talking about video marketing these days. The only problem is virtually no one actually tells you what you need to do to get results. Well, I've just come across an awesome YouTube SEO cheat sheet that's jam-packed with a ton of simple tips and tricks you can implement immediately to boost your rankings with video in 2018. And the best part is, it's totally free. If you want to drive traffic with video, this YouTube SEO cheat sheet can really help you out. Specifically, this cheat sheet reveals a proven formula for writing video titles that get clicks, the 3 tags your videos must have to maximize your video's traffic potential, the single biggest factor that impacts video rankings, and how to nail it by opening a loop at the start of each video. 7 simple tricks for generating natural inbound links. 3 psychological video triggers that will have viewers glued to your video till the very end, and why this is essential for earning stable YouTube rankings. Download your video SEO cheat sheet right now at the link below for free.